Virgin coconut oil is recommended for all the chronic brain diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinsonism, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, even diabetes. So when you consume coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, it will help your brain functions. And I have seen in my experience a lot of patients with the chronic degenerative disorders of the brain, they are doing good with the coconut oil consumption.
What do you
It's
suggest?
a very powerful product to promote.
What do you suggest the dose is the prevention?
Yeah, you prevention maybe about 1 tablespoon a day, or if you want a little bit more benefit, then you take about 30 to 60 ml of virgin coconut oil daily.
So simply drink.
Best is you can use it for your cooking.
Okay. So simply drink.
Simply drink. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
okay.
the recommendation.